Hi, you okay?
Hi, can we have butter chicken on that, please?
Yeah, is that normal butter or garlic? Salt, pepper, and cheese?
Just cheese good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but
Yeah, everyone has it with.
Really?
Yeah. You did say garlic butter, didn't you? Yeah. See, everyone gets that as well, the garlic butter, yeah. Yeah. Would you like any crispy onions with this, love?
Yes.
Yeah. Any sauces?
What's that then?
That's like the spicy mayo.
Can I have a little bit of that?
Of course you can.